A fresh start. Making your new house a home. Congratulations on your new home. This is such an exciting time, full of possibilities. Moving into a new house is more than just unpacking boxes. It's a chance to create a space that truly reflects you. Your new home should be a reflection of your story, your passions, and your dreams. Decorating plays a huge role in this transformation. It's about creating a space that feels welcoming, comfortable, and uniquely you. Think about the feeling you want to evoke when you walk through the door. It's where memories are made, laughter is shared, and love grows. So let's embark on this decorating journey together. With a little planning, creativity, and a sprinkle of inspiration, you can turn your new house into a home that you'll cherish for years to come.
Planning your dream space first steps. Before you dive into paint swatches and furniture catalogs, take a moment to plan. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any successful decorating project. Begin by assessing your space. Walk through each room and take note of its size, shape, and natural light. Consider your lifestyle and how you plan to use each space. Do you entertain often? Do you need a dedicated home office? Next, set a realistic budget. This will help you prioritize your spending and make informed decisions about where to splurge and where to save. Creating a mood board is a fun and effective way to visualize your style and preferences. Gather inspiration from magazines, websites, or even nature. Pin these ideas to a physical or digital mood board to create a visual representation of your desired aesthetic. The power of color, setting the mood. Color is an incredibly powerful tool in interior design. It has the ability to transform a space, evoke emotions, and set the overall tone for your home. For a calming and serene atmosphere, opt for cool tones such as blues, greens, and lavenders. Warm tones like reds, oranges, and yellows are more energetic and inviting. Neutral colors like white, beige, and gray provide a versatile backdrop for any decorating style. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and tints within your chosen color palette to add depth and interest. Remember, lighting plays a crucial role in how colors appear in a space. Test your paint colors in different lighting conditions to ensure you're happy with the final result.
Furniture fundamentals. Finding the perfect flow. Furniture is the backbone of any room, so it's essential to choose pieces that are both functional and stylish. When arranging furniture, consider the flow of traffic and the function of the space. Create clear pathways for easy movement and avoid blocking doorways or windows. In the living room, arrange furniture to create a cozy and inviting conversation area. Use rugs to define different areas within a room, such as a seating area or a dining space. The dining room is all about gathering and sharing meals. Bedrooms should feel like a peaceful retreat. Consider adding a comfortable armchair or a chaise lounge for a cozy reading nook.
The art of accessories, adding personality and charm. Accessories are the jewelry of a room, adding personality, style, and finishing touches to your decor. Rugs are a great way to define areas, add warmth, and introduce patterns and textures. Curtains not only provide privacy and control light, but also add a touch of elegance and softness to a room. Artwork is a powerful way to express your personal style and create a focal point in a room. Decorative items such as vases, sculptures, and candles add dimension and interest to surfaces. Group items together in odd numbers for a visually appealing display. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures, colors, and styles to create a layered and collected look. Let your accessories tell your story and reflect your unique style.
Illuminating your space, the magic of lighting. Lighting is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in creating ambiance and functionality in a home. Natural light is always best, so maximize the amount of daylight in your home by using sheer curtains or blinds. Incorporate a variety of light sources to create depth and dimension. Ambient lighting, such as ceiling fixtures or chandeliers, provides overall illumination. Task lighting, like table lamps or desk lamps, is essential for specific activities such as reading or working. Accent lighting, such as wall sconces or picture lights, highlights artwork or architectural details. Dimmer switches are a great way to control the intensity of light and create different moods.
DIY delights, creating custom decor with a personal touch. DIY projects are a fantastic way to personalize your space and add unique touches without breaking the bank. One simple yet impactful DIY project is creating a gallery wall. Gather a collection of framed photos, artwork, or even vintage plates. Arrange them on the floor before hanging to find a layout that you love. Use painter's tape to mark the placement of each piece on the wall before hammering any nails. Another easy DIY is to update old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. Create your own artwork by framing fabric swatches, wallpaper scraps, or even pressed flowers. DIY projects are a labor of love, and the end result will be a home that is uniquely yours.
Storage is essential for maintaining a clutter-free and organized home. A well-organized home is a happy home. It reduces stress, creates a sense of calm, and allows you to fully enjoy your space. Utilize vertical space by incorporating shelves, bookcases, and wall-mounted organizers. Baskets are a versatile storage solution that can be used in any room. Ottomans with hidden storage compartments provide both seating and a place to stash away clutter. In the kitchen, maximize cabinet space with tiered organizers and lazy Susans. Underbed storage containers are perfect for storing seasonal items or extra bedding. Choose storage items that complement your decor and add to the overall aesthetic of your space. Maintaining your decor, freshness over time. Maintaining your decor is essential for keeping your home looking its best. Simple habits can go a long way in preserving the beauty and freshness of your space. Regular cleaning is crucial. Dust furniture, vacuum carpets, and wipe down surfaces frequently to prevent dirt and grime from building up. Rotate your accessories seasonally to keep your decor feeling fresh and prevent it from becoming stagnant. Refresh your throw pillows and blankets by having them professionally cleaned or washing them at home, according to the manufacturer's instructions. A little maintenance goes a long way in preserving the beauty and longevity of your decor. Budget-friendly decorating, beautiful homes on any budget. Decorating your home doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can achieve a beautiful home without overspending. Shop your own home first. Before you hit the stores, take inventory of what you already have. Repurpose old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new hardware. Shop secondhand stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces for unique and affordable furniture and decor. Embrace DIY projects. Get creative with paint, fabric, and even natural elements to create one-of-a-kind pieces.
Making it personal, the finishing touches. The final touches are what truly make a house a home. These are the personal touches that tell your story and reflect your passions. Display family photos, travel mementos, or cherished heirlooms in a way that feels both personal and stylish. Incorporate items that spark joy and evoke happy memories. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality and interests. Whether you're an avid reader, a passionate cook, or a lover of all things vintage, let your home reflect what you love. Layer in textiles such as throw blankets, pillows, and rugs to add texture, warmth, and comfort. Add greenery and fresh flowers to bring life and vibrancy into your space. Plants not only enhance the aesthetics, but also improve air quality. Remember, decorating is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Your home should evolve with you, reflecting your ever-changing style and story.
Your decorating journey. A world of possibilities. Decorating your new home is an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities. It's a chance to create a space that truly reflects who you are and how you want to live. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers when it comes to decorating. Trust your instincts, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Your home should be a reflection of your unique style and personality. Let your heart guide you, and don't be afraid to break the rules and embrace your own personal aesthetic. Happy decorating!